How we doing today, folks? I'm out here today with a 2015 Hino box truck. This is a model 195. There's a 5.0 liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 109,227 miles, or 927, sorry. There's your odometer. Pretty nice clean interior in here. Pretty cool little truck. I'm gonna go ahead and this is the forward tilt cab. This is that 5-liter diesel engine. These Hinos are manufactured by Toyota. First and foremost though, with this model here, we do have some frame issues. I have a cracked frame down here. Jesse, go ahead and jump on that a little bit. If you can see that crack there, but it kind of moves. You can see it going back and forth. So we do have a cracked frame on this truck. Other than that, it is a really decent looking truck. It's kind of unfortunate it has this frame issue, but at that low of a mileage, the engine's good. As far as we know, tranny and everything works good. Good rubber. Does have the lift gate back here. It's a pawl finger. Really nice truck other than that frame. The box is in pretty good condition too. I'll show you that here. As you can see, the ramp works just fine. Jesse's on there. Pick him right up. Door could use a new spring. It's a little stiff going up. Again, there is some rust under here. The frame seems to have took it a little worse than the rest of the truck. Again, we got good rubber over here. Frame rust. There's Jesse coming back down on that lift. Lift works great. Again, under here, as you can see, this is starting to kind of separate. The outer layers pulling off, all the paint's coming off. This side did not have a crack, although it seems like it wants to break in a similar spot here. The front rubber's on there. There she is. Y'all have a great day.